The stuff is ready, coming today. Time to build. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Bayunaga Family. Yeah, today we gonna build, continue build from couple weeks ago. Because couple weeks ago we built the Intel CPU. Now we're gonna build another PC game but without graphic card.
Wait, is that even possible?
Yes, with the new AMD. They just released couple weeks ago on the end of January 2024. The AMD Ryzen 7 8700G, which is including graphic card or integrated graphic card.
Oh.
So pretty much you can play any game 1080p fine. And the reason I got you the big one and I get the ATX motherboard just for future proof. So in the future you wanna rebuild, upgrade it and everything. I put the GPU, that's motherboard, you don't have to change it.
Okay.
We already have everything. We have the memory or the SSD 2 terabyte and memory DDR5 32 gigabyte. 32 gigabyte. And we have PSU and we have AIO CPU coolant. So ready to go. Let's rebuild. Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Start first.
Okay, so I'm guessing that's the motherboard?
Yes, that's the motherboard we got from MSI. MSI B650 Gaming plus Wi-Fi.
Dang.
And we're not sponsored by MSI.
But we could be.
Just wanna let you know. See, you already know, right?
Yep.
Same like the last time.
Yep.
But the difference is the AMD. So whoever wanna look in what we built the last time, you can just go to our page. That's the CPU coolant, but we doesn't need because we already have the AIO.
The AIO, yeah.
So we just need the AMD.
So you're telling me that big old box
Was for nothing.
was for that itty bitty square?
Yeah, it's same when we installed CPU for Intel last time. They have mark, I believe they have little triangle. I don't know if you can see or not.
So I'm guessing that goes in that little square that you just opened.
Yes, it's same like for the CPU, the Intel, I mean.
Yep.
Don't touch this part or don't touch this part.
If you touch the sides.
Yep, if you accidentally touch this part, you can just clean with the alcohol or some. See how the way put it is same like with the Intel.
With the
they
arrows?
have the triangle or arrow,
just like
and
last
they
time.
have triangle over two too,
Yeah.
like last time. We just put in very gentle.
Gently. I'll let
Don't
you do this part.
don't force it or don't push it. Just like
Set it
Elsa.
there.
Like Elsa say, let it go, let it go. See, you already put thing without forcing,
Yep.
and you just close it, and it's gonna be pop up. See, that's it. That's just simple. After this, we go to the memory.
Why are you making it every other one instead of doing them side by side? Is
Yeah,
there
that's what
a
I was gonna
reason?
ask.
Okay, like every motherboard is different, but normally they always the 2 and the 4, and they have offer that too. If you can see, you see that the first one is the IMMA2 and the IMMP second is the first thing, because we just only have 2 memory.
Only 2?
Only 2. That's why if you wanna upgrade, you wanna full 4, because I believe this MSI they can support to 192 gigabyte. Yes, if I'm not wrong, but you can. And today we using the T-Force. Even why you laughing?
Because the only thing you could see was his tail. His tail was just flicking behind you, and then
Hey, you wanna my coffee?
no, and then he thought about jumping up on the case, but then he looked at you and then got back down.
See, it's a to my ayah. Ayah in Indonesia, that means father.
Yep.
Because I'm your father.
But
You
what does
better
it say
listen.
on the bottom though? That's the most important part.
Love you, Ibu.
No, love your Evu.
Oh, okay then. I'm sorry. My English bad.
Very.
Well, I'm not gonna argue with you.
See, my one like that. And
Ah.
this the memory.
So that's the memory.
Yeah, is only one way. If you put the wrong, they're not gonna be fit.
So
Because
you have
only
to put
one
it
way.
the correct way, or else it won't
Yeah.
fit.
See, like this one is fit. But
Yeah.
if you put just in case by accident you doesn't know, you put over here. Just the little knob is
It's
not
not
fit.
gonna fit. So then that means you'll have to flip it around and put it the other way.
Yeah, and if you installing this, don't ever scare. I know it's fragile, but
Yeah.
this motherboard is every motherboard is like good. So you just only like push it until here like this.
Until you hear a click.
Yeah,
Yep. Till you hear that click.
there you go. Why your eyes almost out, Ibu?
Because it sounded like it cracked.
Because I'm in the box. You know why I'm in the box? If just people worry about static, how to say?
Static.
Yeah, about static.
Electricity.
No.
Electricity.
What's wrong with your English?
Tristan.
Normally, like they use the glove or they have kind of tool
Yeah.
for the static thingy, but
Do you have gloves?
Does it hurt?
it's not good.
The static Evo? Because you had it. You got staticked.
See,
That was not my fault.
Yes.
our memory is ready.
Big brain.
Next.
Next,
I think.
pause it little bit.
What's next?
And we just put the SSD.
The SSD.
Yeah, this the Gen4 SSD.
And it's 2 terabytes, right?
Yeah, 2 terabyte. And we not get promotion from Crucial or no.
But we could.
See, you make me doesn't know how to open this thing.
Honey,
Yeah.
I don't feel like I'm doing anything. Can I help?
You wanna help? Okay,
Yeah,
then while
let me do
open this,
one.
can you unscrew it?
Where?
Just make it
Right there, I think.
right
Right
this
there.
and right.
I can do both of them?
Yes. How you gonna doing it while you holding this?
I'm doing it.
Can I do that one?
Hang on. You do that one. I'll do this
Yay.
one. I screwed it back in so,
So
you
I-
could do it.
guys, I
Just
get
then.
to-
So you don't have to like all the way up. No, you don't have to.
How do I know when it's enough? Oh,
you-
that's
that.
good. That's
There you
good.
go.
Okay.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Is that good? Or a little bit more?
More. 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 Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah!
Is
Can I scoot back in?
it got some weight to it?
Is it actually? Oh, yeah.
Kinda.
Kind of has some weight
And
to it.
put in this one is it's only all is
So,
So you gotta match it up pretty much.
It's the
And it
only
goes in
one
there.
way.
Other way.
so are we gonna put like the top thing back on after?
See, it's just like you push it. That's it. It's gonna be
Put
like
the top
that.
thing back on?
See, just like this,
Okay.
and this clip just
I have a question.
yes.
Why is there a sticker on it?
That's for the heat sink.
The
So
heat
they
sink?
have like kind of special gel or something. Like for the CPU,
Something.
I use the thermal pad, and but they already have
Oh,
over
that's
there.
English. It's gonna be the new
Do you have to
dictionary.
peel it off?
Yes.
Can I peel it?
Yeah.
Peel it. Yeah, peel it.
Peel it.
Satisfying moment.
Tristan, get out of here. Okay. I got it. Yeah.
Karma is still
Stuck on me.
When you put it back like this,
Wait, let me do it.
hang on, don't resist. Like
Okay,
not
never mind.
really
You do
tight.
it. You do it then.
See, when you already feel like this, not forcing all the way.
Yep.
Tristan, raise up my chair.
It's gonna
It was down all the way.
fall back down.
Alright, but it must be done.
What?
Tristan,
What do you
congratulations.
Huh?
We already built the PC. Because it's without the graphic card, normally graphic card put over here.
Yeah.
But because without graphic card, it's already integrated with graphic card, so
I have one question.
yes.
When are we gonna put it in the case?
Right now we put in it.
But how?
Just
Don't you have
open-
to hook up the big thingy next?
What the big thing?
The wire.
The thing.
The wire.
The wire's
I don't know.
go in there.
Yeah, it's the same like the last time, right?
Yeah.
We do the last because we put the motherboard, go to the case.
Yeah.
Last we unhook
All
the
right,
case.
hang on.
Yeah, let's unbox the case.
Fancy.
This is gonna be. Didn't you get the dustproof one?
What's in dust proof?
I know
Yeah.
you ain't in my chair.
Wait, can we? Do we peel this?
No,
We
that's the
did build it
last
later.
one.
Can I peel it?
No, that's the simple.
What are you doing?
Put this motherboard shield. Don't forget the wrong facet. But you have to remember, normally the audio always in the button. That's the simple how to remember it. And you just push it over here until they hear click. See?
Next.
Tristan,
Yeah.
are you gonna record for your tiki-toki?
I was waiting for you guys to figure this.
It's
thing
ready. It's ready. It's ready.
out. Okay, guys. I'm back. They just placed whatever inside of this. Now, what my father is gonna do, he's gonna place the motherboard inside of the case.
They have the screw.
Oh, the little
Oh, so
pinhole
just
things.
place it
Yeah,
on
is
the-
the place over here. Normally, they have six.
Is it possible for that like
Definitely.
battery, that circle thing to come out at all?
It's not. Trust me, that's not.
You have to line up the holes now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
You think you done?
Yeah, it's in. I mean, it looks like it, kind of. Yeah. We plug you're not gonna get like electrocuted if we plug stuff in, right?
No.
It needs to go this way a little bit though. It's off-centered. It needs to go up this way.
But the hole is ready.
Oh, come back this way a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Stop.
Yeah, that's why when you're doing like this, you need screw rod with. I forgot my screw.
Well, get screwing.
Okay. Don't get screwed. See, we just screw. But remember, don't using force. Like Elsa did. What Elsa say?
Let it go.
Here we go. Because I guarantee you're not gonna be fail.
So it's in there now, right?
All done.
Know what?
All done.
What about the little heavy boxing?
This one is the PSU.
30 something.
Pretty much so far, you already doing good.
Ah.
Oh my goodness, this makes me nervous.
Oh,
That's not funny. Why would you do
No,
that?
if he does that, then it just falls.
Oh, that's not even funny at all.
Yes, it
this what I hate the most. We call is cable management.
Oh, cable management like that?
Can I just
No,
pull?
you put like this. You slide it.
Well, how was I supposed to know?
I thought you were smart. I thought you were Indonesian. I thought you.
I am,
no,
but
you're American-Asian.
And for you not losing this, just put it back.
Oh, she's American-Asian.
Because sometimes you can get loose everything.
My mother's American-Asian.
Everything.
Everything.
No, for him.
Yay, so you can see.
That's the thing.
Is this the cable management in the back that we have to figure out?
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is the boring part of the video, guys.
This the USB.
Yeah.
how do you know?
Normally, yeah, because I'm building the
Normal.
computer. It's not 1 or 2 times. I build those. It's always USB. See, USB 3.0.
Let's probably just look at it.
This the audio.
Oh, how convenient.
Wait, what type of audio?
Every audio. So
It
it's
said
like
HD audio.
So you gotta weave it through and plug it in the front,
over there.
is what you're telling me.
Over there is USB. See? Whee! And you not gonna be wrong because they have the side over here and they
Not unless-
Tristan on the way. Like over there they have. Oh, Ibu, you on the way, Ibu. Oh, it's Tristan. Do you see the thingy over here?
So
it's
you
gonna
take
be on
the blue
top.
thing off, right? Or no?
What do you mean blue?
Is that not a cap?
No, it's not a cap.
That's
That
the
is
whole
a
USB.
cap.
See? Oh my goodness.
This
the
isn't
whole
a cap
USB.
right here.
Yes, look at it. See?
That's
Oh.
what you plug into. Oh my god.
I know, I was testing you. Yeah, but it'll be fine.
Ibu, look at it. It's just like.
It looks better than that. It looks good being curled up right here.
Because they're gonna be curled up over here too.
No, not if you put it in up here.
They're gonna be far away. This why cable management.
But this cable long enough,
RGB.
honey.
Yeah, and that way we could do my RGB.
Okay, let's just plug everything else in and then we can decide later.
See, look at it. If like this one, so like
Rolls Royce.
the thing is
That's
hiding.
different though, because that cable is small.
But we can see
This
the
audio missing 1 pin.
bougie.
So
And
instead
this-
of 10 holes, it has 9.
Yeah, they're missing 1 pin.
Rolls Royce. Ooh. And bougie.
That's what I meant. Come on, buddy, you can push it.
Okay. So I just set it in there.
Yes.
Push. Hard. Hard, hard,
After
hard.
click. No,
More.
it's not click.
More.
There you go.
Let me see.
Yeah, I clicked it.
Yep.
Good job. That is the CPU connector because we have 2 4x4 and this one for the ATX connector. Are you ready to plug in?
Yeah.
Until they said plug.
Until it
Until it
clicks.
clicks.
Yeah.
I think it's this way around.
Yep. Push. Hard, hard, hard.
There you go.
Good job, babe. Awesome. So
sound. Very sweet. Ready? What do you think, guys? After this, we're gonna try the benchmark the CPU or PC game without GPU or graphic card. Okay, let's do test bench. Everything looks like normal. All work, all working. Just we try to download Windows and test bench. Okay. See guys, it's not bad for running 1080p. That's not bad at all. Now we try play Fortnite with the 1080p max setting, and the FPS got 70, 80, 100, so it's not bad. It's not bad with the iGPU. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye.